So I raised kale, spinach, and Swiss chard this year in my garden. After I took as much as I could off of the stems of the kale, I dehydrated the rest of this. I'm going to zap this in this little coffee grinder. I got this at the thrift shop too. I ended up paying $2.50 for it. And you can find these little things at thrift shops all over the place. I would, if I were you, because I do, dedicate one only to herbs and things and spices to grind down. I don't often get whole bean coffee, but I do keep a little bit. And when I want, to do that, I have a separate one for that because the oils in the coffee can contaminate your spices. Oh, and if you do this with mushrooms, if you dehydrate mushrooms and do this, wear a mask around your face because you'll inhale the mushroom dust. Like this into my green powder jar, and I'll use that. I'll put it in soup and stuff, trying to sneak in a little extra vitamins and fiber. I use this in when I do a smoothie. I use this in a smoothie, and it's all kinds of greens. It's not just kale. There's spinach, there's Swiss chard, there's kale, anything that's got a green leaf. Lettuce. Before my lettuce gets really old, if I'm not going to use it all, I'll dehydrate the lettuce and do that with it. But so that's what I do.